Hello, hello. I am here with this Soley one whole organic banana with cacao, and this is fruit jerky. Just 2 ingredients, banana and cacao, that's it. It's a non-GMO, 100% vegan, USDA certified organic. You know it. I'll link this below if you're interested. I've tried another one of their flavors and I was extremely impressed with the other flavor I tried, which was the pineapple. I'm hoping that this one will be just as good, if not better. Can I have the scissors, please? Because the packaging is being stubborn. It's 1 serving per package and it's 80 calories per serving. Yep. Alright. Maybe I can get to it now. Maybe not. Okay, there we go. Well, I would say the packaging right off the bat would be a little challenging maybe for some. Myself being one of those some. Seriously? Okay, I'm done. I'm just going to cut it up the side because I'm not going to fight this thing anymore. We're just going to go ahead. There we go. Okay, we got it. We got it. The struggle is real, I tell you. Alright. Trying to bend back the packaging so I can give you a good view of the product. Here's a second one that we have. You can smell banana right off the bat. Banana leather is so good. I'm not getting a lot of the cacao, maybe just a slight hint. Mostly it's just banana. Lacey, you want to try? What do you think of it? I give this a 5 out of 5. It's delicious.
It's a no-go for me.
No-go for you. So the second one's mine. Check. Yeah. I definitely would get this again. Recommend it to others. We'll link it below. Would encourage you to use that link because we'll get a little credit for that, and that helps me find more things to review for the channel. Yeah, this is very tasty. This would be perfect to have in your purse for on the go. If you have kids, this would be a really healthy, very good snack for a child. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. If you've ever tried this, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have never tried this before, tell me in general, do you like banana? Are you a banana fan? The flavor? Because if you like the flavor of bananas, you're going to want to get this. If you don't like bananas, you're not going to like this. Stay far away. But that just means more for me. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.